Hi, welcome. Here I have the iPhone 10. As you can see, I'm trying to touch the screen. There's no response on the phone, but when I press the power button here on the side, you can see that the phone has a display. And when I try to touch the screen, there's no response whatsoever. So, meaning that more likely the phone needs to be get a new screen replacement, and I have the replacement screen here, and let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the replacement screen, you definitely need to peel off the plastic, so go ahead and do that, and be very careful when you peel things off because the flex cable may have a tape taping it down, and you do not want to just yank that thing and rip off the flex cable. Here you can see there's this plastic cover, just remove that, and that should be it. Alright, I'm trying to cover up the face of a little baby here, and trying not to show it on the screen. This is the 0.8 Pentalobe P2. I'm going to remove the two screws here at the bottom. If you're not sure where to buy the replacement screen or the tools for the repair, please check the link down in the description below. I'll link it to either Amazon or eBay where you can find the replacement screen and the tools for this repair. Alright, I'm going to wait until that screen goes off. I'm going to bring it down here. So the reason because I'm not able to turn the phone off, right? So I'm trying to shut down the phone, but because it doesn't respond to the touch, therefore I need to disconnect the battery to get this thing off of it. I'll be using my left hand to cover up the image. And this metal prying tool is to go in between the glass and the phone to cut off the adhesive. Once the thing is open up, turn it to the right, and I'll be using the Try screwdriver, the little Y shape 0.6. Remove some of the screws here. It looks like there's one missing screw, but there are two missing screws, 1 and 2. You should be removing 5 of them. There's one right behind the flex cable, which is right there behind the flex cable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remove the bracket. Got a plastic prying tool. To go in between that cable right there, the third one from the bottom, is to disconnect the battery. The next step is to transfer the front proximity sensor with the speaker over to the screen replacement, and this will be using the Try screwdriver, the little Y shape. Remove that 3 screws. I'm trying to go in between the speaker and the plastic cover to remove that piece right there. Okay, once the piece is removed, go ahead and transfer to the new screen. It should be sit right back on top the bracket. You just have to make sure you aligned it nicely and close it down like such. Okay, once that is done, let's go ahead and reconnect all the flex cables. They're just like Lego, they snap back onto it very easily. Okay, just want to make sure everything is intact. Get the bracket, put it back on top of it. Remember to have the screws to go back in. Power up the phone, making sure that it works. I have a display of an apple. I like to slide the one on the top here first. You need to slide it in on the very top and work your way around it and just kind of press it down. Remember the two screws here at the very bottom. Okay, that is done. I just wanted to cover up the face. Let's go ahead and try. So I can tap on it. As you can see, it powers up. I can swipe the thing and it's asking for a passcode. You can see that the passcode is responding to the touch. So yep, you needed a new screen. All right, thanks for watching. Until next time, bye now.